Louise Hay says that forgiveness is the most important lesson we've come here to learn. But I don't understand that it feels unfair because if someone else has done something wrong, why should I be the one to forgive? It feels unfair.
Yeah, I know. It appears like that, right? That somebody else has done something wrong, and now I have to take on the burden of not only being hurt but also forgiving the person. It seems very unfair. But actually, who's suffering? Just tell me. Who's suffering when you're angry, when you're not forgiving? It's ourselves, no? I'm the one who's suffering. I'm the one who's still going through the pain. And whoever has done something has done it and gone. They may not even remember that they've done something, or they may be very happy that you're suffering. So what's the point in allowing ourselves to have misery in our lives when it's not even our fault, or there's something I can do about it? And what is it that I can do about it? I can forgive. Because when I forgive, I am free. Forgiveness is a gift to oneself. That's what Louise says. It's a gift to myself. It's not about the other person. It doesn't matter at all whether the other person suffers or whether the other person is free or whether the other person is happy or sad. Whose life is being affected? It's my life that's being affected. Forgiveness is to set myself free. And it does not mean I'm condoning their actions. I'm not saying what they've done is good. I'm saying despite what they've done, I'm willing to let go of it from my system. It's not about giving them something. It's about letting it go from my system so that I can move forward. I'm not stuck. I can go forward in my life feeling free. I would really want that for myself. Why would I want to suffer for the rest of my life because of something that somebody has done to me, harmed me, and then gone away, or is still there, continuing to harm me? I can forgive, let go, and break that whole pattern so that they no longer do this to me. Yeah?